Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Walmart app in a store. It's very easy guys, you just go ahead and launch the Walmart app on your Android or iOS device, and if you already saved your credit, debit or gift cards to your Walmart account, you'll basically see them listed there. And if you haven't done that already, they'll ask you to add those cards or your Walmart gift cards. Just go ahead and do that. Very easy and simple process. Then what you need to do once you come here to checkout, you just need to choose the payment method you want to use with Walmart Pay. So for example, what happens when you come here, usually they'll first use the gift card value in your account unless you switch this option to off, okay? And if you have paper coupons, and you can just go ahead and use those at the cashier or self-checkout as usual as well. And once you're done shopping, what you need to do is using Walmart Pay, okay? You just go to this checkout lane, you scan your items, and then open the Walmart Pay app, open your phone's camera, hold your phone over this QR code right here on the register to go ahead and pay, okay? And once you hear a chime and you see a confirmation, they'll also send you a notification to device as well when your e-receipt is ready, okay? There will be no paper receipts, and you're done. You're basically paid for your items using the Walmart Pay app. It's really that easy and simple, so if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Appier Solutions.